Your Stormwatch 9 forecast.
Good afternoon. Bundle up if you're heading outdoors today. It is cold out there in many spots. This is Littleton right now. It's 11 degrees, but with a gusty wind, it feels more like 2 below right now as of the noon hour. On top of that, for the North Country, at least, not much sunshine to help warm us up today, so our temperatures likely stay stuck in the teens from Plymouth and points north. In the lower 20s in southern New Hampshire, at least most reporting sites, the one exception being Jaffrey right now at just 15. But at least there you have a little bit of sun to take the edge off. With that said, the winds are gusting over 20 miles per hour, and that is making it feel more like the single digits in many spots. Feels like 9 degrees in Lebanon right now. Feels like 3 in Jaffrey, just 7 along the coastline. So these are the temperatures to dress for the remainder of the afternoon. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds for southern zones, more clouds farther north and west, and that really limits how high the temperatures will climb through the rest of today. Now, if there is one good thing about this evening, yes, it's going to be chilly out there, but at least the winds come down a little bit. Notice by 9 o'clock, the actual temperature and feels like temperature more or less the same. And that's a sign that the winds really will start to taper off overnight. A very weak disturbance crosses our area overnight, and I think at worst it brings passing clouds, perhaps up north a brief flurry or two, and then it's gone by sunrise tomorrow. So Tuesday should feature more sunshine, and with lighter winds, it's at least a little bit more comfortable, but still pretty cold out there early tomorrow morning. Another morning to really dress the kids in some extra layers at the bus stop. Our low temperatures tonight in the single numbers and teens in many spots. But with high pressure nearby, it's a quiet day of weather once again on Tuesday. In fact, even northern New Hampshire should see more breaks in the overcast tomorrow. Skies actually turn partly sunny, I should say mostly sunny, in central and southern New Hampshire, where we could have a few spots getting above the freezing mark. This big dip in the jet stream keeping us much cooler than average for mid-December, but signs of a change soon as the jet stream lifts to our north midweek. That does allow some milder air to work into our area, and what that means is temperatures, they'll be on a steady climb each of the next several days. By Wednesday, we could top 40 degrees for the first time in over 2 weeks across much of the area. Now, with that mild air in place later on this week, a system will take advantage of that, and that means we're talking mostly rain by Thursday night into the first half of Friday. Now, with the combination of rain and warmer air, we're likely looking at a decent amount of our snowpack getting melted away. The rain will also bring with it around us some stronger winds that could lower visibility down out on the roads. It also brings in a shot of colder temperatures again by Friday night. There's the chance that if we still have standing water and puddles around Friday night, those could freeze over and become icy by Saturday morning. This temperature roller coaster continues through the weekend. High temperatures back down near freezing come Saturday.